The other areas, the TCP Minister, Mr. Vijay Sardesai, has told us just to keep on hold for certain decisions which they may be taking in the board as far as the other areas are concerned. So we have just discussed as far as Talegaon is concerned in this. So I look forward to see ultimately PDA should be there to help the people. It should be more of a friendly relation between the PDA staff, all the engineers, all the other architects, all the other staffs in PDA and the people.
Okay, in the last few days, if you go to see, there have been a huge chaos, opposition for this greater formation of Greater Panjim PDA. People from Kudka, Bambolim, Santa Cruz, Santandre, everybody has been gathering on this.
Now the question here is, you must ask those people. At least yesterday I came to know when they met the TCP minister. I think they have got no issue as far as the PDA is concerned. They have got no issue as far as the PDA is concerned or the TCP is concerned. They have got issue as far as the person is concerned.
Correct. Okay.
So it is more become of a personal issue than what is the real subject matter. I think they had not. See, they have said, see, we don't. You make ODP, you make this thing, whatever this thing. But ODPs can be only be done when it is identified as a planning. And see, one thing is people also should understand. See, it is given to understand to other people who never understood what is PDA. Saying that Panchayat will have no powers or other bodies will have no powers. Here, in fact, once you are in PDA, Panchayat has got more powers. Panchayat is a deciding authority also, because they are part and parcel of the planning. Plus the MLA of that constituency is. See, now if your area is included and if you are a sarpanch, you have been appointed, you will definitely look at the interest of your this thing. You have been given a right, in fact, to develop your own place the way you want it. So this is the only simple thing that the people should understand.
Do you feel that there are certain people who have been agitated, forcing certain people against you, and it is a problem against you or something like that?
At least yesterday, the way I think they met the TCP minister and they started speaking, it looks like that they have got no issue as far as the ODPs are concerned. ODPs ultimately, because it's a planning area, it is ODPs come. And when ODPs are proper planning basically is done. Others also you have seen that there is no regional plan for from 2000. In fact, 2000 from 2000. 2001.
Correct.
There is no regional plan. And I don't foresee a regional plan coming into force soon. So, and once you are part of the planning area, I think your village can be developed. There can be a better development as far as the village is concerned. Proper planning can be done where people are involved in the plan. Otherwise, if you go to see in TCP, that you are not involved in a planning process. But here, your village is involved in a planning process. Your elected representative is there to object if there is any basically a thing which goes beyond their interest.
So just explain about this. These MLAs have once upon a time given letters saying that we wanted PDAs, and now suddenly have given their resignations on that.
I believe this all was discussed with the TCP minister.
Correct.
And after discussion, the TCP minister, these MLAs have submitted the letter of support to include their area. There are certain MLAs who spoke on the floor of the house, saying not only a part, you include the full area. If you go to see the records of your assembly proceedings itself will speak for it. So now it is the duty, I always believe. I look at it in this way. When election comes, people lead, you follow. The day you are elected, you lead, people follow. But people follow means you have been given a time of 5 years, your testing time. So whatever you should do in the interest of your constituency and the village. And your result will come after 5 years.
Correct.
Whether you have really worked in the interest of the people.
So
that is the thing what I would like to say. So basically you should have a leadership quality. You should have basically a more of a understanding as far as the people are concerned, to explain to the people what is good and bad.
So how would you look at this responsibility now, taking over the task of Greater PDA, and how would you see that everything puts into place?
See, I feel what the PDAs basically should be there to help the people, not to basically create problem for the people. So in this way, I feel that we have got a very good staff where member secretary and all the other staff are coming. And we will go all out basically as far to support the people in whatever way where you can make when it most there is more accessibility and a better part of planning.